I have been waiting to do this pool vlog for 5 days.
We're starting today's vlog in the house. What the heck else is new? That's all we do. We're always at home.
Is the camera on you or me?
It's on you.
Oh boy.
All
I need
right.
some privacy.
Handy Andy got a new shirt.
I need some privacy.
Oh, he's going to the bathroom. Welcome to our pool vlog. This is a video that Andrew has been wanting to film. So we're gonna get right down to it today. Apparently we get comments about how clean our pool is. I've never seen those comments personally.
I think it might be interesting to some people to see kind of daily what we do daily to keep our pool clean, and then I guess I should mention it's a saltwater pool, so we don't actually add chlorine to the pool. Maybe once every couple weeks, or if there's heavy usage, we'll kind of shock it overnight. Basically, it's pretty important to keep the skimmer basket clean, so usually twice a day I'll check it. As you can see, I actually already emptied it once today. Once a week I'll put maybe a lid of pH down in, but every once in a while I'll test it too, just to make sure. There's all sorts of test strips you can buy, but this is the ones that we picked up. This is usually what I do, the first thing I do when I get ready to vacuum, which is basically once a week I'll actually vacuum by hand. This is the vacuum head that I use. It's the triangle one. I find with our pool, the way that the floor is designed, this makes it a lot easier to nice of your wig. Makes it a lot easier to get into the corners and make sure that I pick everything up. Hold it in front of the jet to fill the hose with water. You'll see it come out the other end, and that's when Sabrina connects it for me.
There we go. On this area around our pool, we have given up on our dream of concrete. We were gonna just do concrete because it's easier and there's already concrete there, but we're gonna do composite decking.
We were hoping to do concrete. Like you said, there's a huge shortage of the actual cement that goes in the concrete, so we're not able to get it, I'm guessing, until September, and I can't leave it like this. So our second best option is to do composite decking, which I think will look nice. It's a little more labor involved. Concrete, I would have had it finished in a day, and it would have looked good, but I think the composite will be okay.
I know a bunch of you had commented about don't do composite decking, but this area doesn't get much sun. It's like shade most of the day. I mean, it can't be more slippery than our sealed concrete already is, so we're not too worried about that, but it'll be nice. We'll do like a gray, maybe a dark gray or something like that to match the existing concrete, but we should have an update on that next week. It's just so frustrating that it's slowing us down because we are quick workers. If you've followed us for a while, you know, like, we work through projects pretty quick. We did this whole pool in a month and a half, and it's taking us just as long to do this little area.
Yeah, well, the next week or so, there's going to be a lot of progress. There's a lot happening, so.
Yeah. I know a lot of you have subscribed and followed because you're interested in seeing this project coming together, and we're excited to show you this project coming together, but that's just the reality of renovating when you have to rely on other people, because we would have concrete done, we'd have the walls up. This project would have been done a long time ago if it was just up to Andrew and I. Grande vanilla iced latte with oat milk.
Vanilla iced latte with oat milk. Grande.
Grande vanilla iced latte with oat milk. You got this. He's gonna figure it out. For you.
Can I please get a grande, what is it?
Vanilla iced latte.
Vanilla iced latte with oat milk?
Alright, we're going to Lowe's.
Again.
This content is getting pretty repetitive. It's us at home, waking up, doing something in our backyard, picking some vegetables, complaining about something, going to
Well,
Home
then why
Depot.
don't you say, hey guys, what would you like to see in our next video?
Guys, let us know. What do you want to see in our next video? Do you like garden content? Do you like only renovation content? Do you want to see a home tour? Do you want...
See our kitchen?
Do you want a garage tour? A home gym? Well, we already did that. Tell us what you want, what you really, really want, because unless you like these videos of this daily vlog, this stuff behind the scenes, we're just not used to showing our life in this way because we've done social media for the last 2 years in short form content only. So let us know.
Feedback always helps.
Feedback always helps. Anyways, we're at Lowe's
Unless
now.
you're a troll.
True. Anyways, we're at Lowe's now because we have to pick up the lumber for the area around our pool, because if we do composite decking, you need to obviously set the composite decking on something. So I am Sugar Mama. I pay for everything around here. So let's go.
POV, you're a crumb on the floor at Lowe's.
Good.
Yeah. No, almost halfway with the framing.
Yeah, I feel like we can kind of see it coming together now that there's something other than just sand there. But that's going to be all gray composite decking, and I don't want to say too much about what our actual plans are for up top and the wall. But as soon as we have flooring in here, we can move on with everything else. This has been the thing that's been holding us up the most, but I'm feeling really good now that we're kind of getting a move on with everything.
And we've changed our mind. It's no longer concrete, obviously, so that
Yeah.
would be holding us up.
Exactly. A decision has been made. We can kind of move along with it. And yeah, it's a beautiful evening. We're just doing a little bit of yard work and tidying up for the night. And then we'll probably have another update for you guys tomorrow. One more thing before we close off for the evening. I pulled all the weeds. I'm just very excited about it because we showed you earlier how bad it looked. But yes, we've had a productive day. Sorry guys, one more clip I have to share. Look how beautiful this space looks with the sunset, and I'm just doing some weeding out here as well, but everything looks so beautiful. Our sunflowers have just totally taken off in like the last day or so, and I'm just really proud of this space. We've worked on it for the last 2 years to kind of get it where we want it to be, and of course it's still not finished, but it's just come such a long way that like I just have to like take it in and enjoy it and share it with everybody because we're so proud of it.
Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye!
Bye!